I really don't know what to shoot. I really don't know what to shoot. It's just too hard. I can't do this. Stop right there. This video is called Stock Photo Ideas That Sell for you. Many new photographers to stock get so excited at first and they just want to get going and finally start selling their photos in stock, and they might try 1 or 2 shoots. Others start searching all over Shutterstock, what sells, what are the top selling images, what is recommended to shoot, and they get so overwhelmed that at the end of the day, they have really no idea what to shoot. Or you've been shooting for a very long time. You need to change direction. You've been shooting the same damn thing all over and over. We are simply bored. You've hit a plateau. What I'm going to do with you today is to help you create long-term shooting list or calendar specifically tailored to you. And if you are new to this channel, my name is Zdenka Darula. I'm a photographer, a former model, and a few other things. I make tutorials, fun vlogs, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Let's grab a calendar and piece of paper, and let's start with the obvious, which is seasonal and holidays. Now I live in Canada, so I'm going to create one which suits me. Now you should create your own based on location where you live. January, winter photos, still some New Year's photos. February, Valentine's Day. March, St. Patrick's Day and spring photos start. April, Easter. May, Mother's Day. June, Father's Day. Summer photos start right here. July, Canada's Day. August, just summer activities like travel, camping, sports, barbecue. September, back to school, and fall photos start here. October, Thanksgiving and Halloween. November, Remembrance Day. December, Christmas, Boxing Day, and New Year's. Now, when it comes to holidays, you want to upload them 2 to 3 months ahead to get the full benefit of full sales. So that means Christmas, you're not going to upload in December, you're going to upload them in September. I personally like to shoot Christmas when it's Christmas. I don't like shooting Christmas in the summer at all. So I upload few photos at that time, the rest I put away, and I upload it the next year when the time comes. For that purpose, I have another when to upload calendar. In January, I upload Easter photos. In February, Mother's Day. In March, Father's Day. In April, Canada Day. In May, I start uploading summer photos. In June, I start uploading back to school photos. In July, Thanksgiving and Halloween. In August, Remembrance Day. And in September, October, I keep uploading Christmas, Boxing Day, and New Year's photos. I am going to ask you a question. What do you shoot outside of stock? Do you shoot weddings? Do you shoot family portraits? Do you shoot models? Do you shoot babies? Do you shoot sport, products, interior, nature? What else do you shoot? What do you have access to? What connections do you have? I shoot weddings. I know a lot of couples, they might have babies soon, so they might want to have a lot of photos and videos of them. I also know a lot of fashion models. I know a lot of fitness models, so I can do a lot of sports. I have a studio, so go ahead and write down your own list. Ask yourself a question: what photography style you are very good at? I'm very good at lifestyle, couple shoots, weddings, babies, fitness models. I'm very good at posing models. I'm very good at beauty shots. I don't like taking photos of a very large group of people. Now, I shoot for a very long time, so my list is kind of long. It is totally okay to write down only 1 or 2 things. Perhaps you specialize in something, so go ahead and write it down. Now, if you have already existing gallery, go ahead and open it up and look at your top selling photos. Study them. What is it about those photos? Can you make something similar like that again? Can you maybe shoot something similar with a different model or different settings? Evergreen content. Perfect example is this baby photo. There will be always need for baby photos. The fact that she's in a blanket and not wearing something current makes it good for sales years to come. Babies, fitness, families, business, health, food. Do you see yourself shooting any of these? Write them down. Now it's time to check the agencies you're signed up with if there is a specific demand in certain type of photos or videos. Some of them listed on their website, others send email asking for certain type of images. Check what the top selling photos are. Can you come up with something like that, but in your own unique way? Perhaps thinking outside of the box? By now, you should have this very long list. Grab a calendar and write in it those things when you could possibly do them. In the winter, I'm going to shoot some really nice snowy scene. In the spring, I might grab 1 or 2 fitness models and we might do some, I don't know, yoga or running somewhere outdoors. This doesn't mean you have to shoot everything. Pick only what you can handle or what you feel like shooting this month. Have your shot list ready for the shoot. Don't waste your time by retouching all the photos from the set. Pick only the good ones. And if you can do video as well, that's fantastic because you can have photos and videos from one shoot. That means more content, possibility of making more money. I went ahead and created my own calendar. It's really full, and if you want, you can download it. It's in the video description below and it's free. You can change it, make it your own. Thanks for watching. I am pretty sure you got something out of this video, so please don't forget to give it thumbs up and subscribe for more future videos when it comes to stock, photography and video. If you like to, please leave a comment below. You know I read them all and I'm always happy to respond. Thank you so much again and I'll see you next time. Ciao, ahoy.